Hello, my name is Sandy Ortega, and I did my abstract report on an article called Toward an Understanding of the Environmental and Public Health Impacts of Unconventional Natural Gas Development, a categorical assessment of the peer-reviewed scientific literature 2009 through 2015 by Jake Hayes and Seth B.C. Schoenhoff, which examines the potential impacts of unconventional natural gas development on public health, water quality, and air quality. The results of this assessment include 84% of the studies demonstrating hazards in public health, 69% indicating contamination in water, and 87% indicating pollutant emissions in the air. The article highlights the controversy surrounding unconventional natural gas development, which is particularly in terms of groundwater and health outcomes. The lack of data on the environment and public health implications is a limitation of the study. Fracking is the term they use, which is basically the process of unconventional natural gas development, or UNGD, involving land clearing, well simulation, storage, transportation, waste disposal, and hydrocarbon production. The article covers public risks, including human pollution, populations, animal health, and potential health outcomes. It also aligns with water quality, demonstrating the process of hydraulic fracturing. Air quality is also affected by rising pollutant emissions and atmospheric concentrations at both local and regional levels. Non-methane volatile organic compounds, phosphorus, ozone, and hazard air pollutants are also included within the study. The article provides evidence that the environment ultimately impacts resources organisms need for their health. Mistreatment of both air and water correlates with public health, leading to better policies for society's benefit, which is ultimately why I chose said article, given that it talks heavily about these two topics. The article also provides evidence to how the environment ultimately impacts the resources organisms need for their health, which is very significant in terms of environmental health related topics. With the information stated in this article, once again, there not much can be said or done aside from just taking consideration to go green, basically. Recycling, making sure you don't contaminate the earth more than it already is, even at the micro level, as this will ultimately affect public health. And with said research based on this assessment, one can create better policies done for the purpose of people's health along with other organisms, especially because it's not just Homo sapiens suffering based on the environment itself. And with that being said, I would utilize this information just by continuing going green, taking simple measures as one can do as of right now until policies can be changed for the health of humans and the environment, along with other organisms that live in our ecosystems. Thank you.